In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show the total number of emails in Outlook. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can check your totals in just a minute or two. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Outlook. This is the quickest way to land on the official Outlook site, especially if you don't have it bookmarked. In the search results, click the link that takes you to Outlook on the web. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that to reach your mailbox. Once you're in your mailbox, look to the left side of the screen for the navigation pane. This is the column that lists your folders like Inbox, Sent Items, Drafts, and any custom folders you've created. If you don't see that column, expand it first. Depending on your layout, you might see a button or link that says Show Navigation Pane or an icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click that to reveal the folder list. If the pane is collapsed because your window is narrow, try maximizing your browser or increasing its width so the pane has room to appear. With the navigation pane visible, hover your mouse over Inbox. Don't click, just place the pointer over the folder name and pause for a moment. A small tooltip will pop up showing the total number of items in that folder. This is different from the unread count you may see next to the folder name. The tooltip total includes everything in that folder, read and unread, so it gives you the full picture. Do the same for sent items to see the total number of emails you've sent. This hover works on other folders too, including subfolders. If the tooltip doesn't appear right away, try moving the mouse slightly and pausing again. Some browsers need a brief moment before they display it. Also note that if you have focused and other tabs in your inbox, the tooltip still reflects the overall total for the folder, not just one tab. If the number looks off, make sure you don't have an active filter or search applied, as filters can hide items from view but won't change the total in the tooltip. And if you're working on a smaller screen, zooming out a bit or widening the window can make the navigation pane and tooltips easier to use. That's all there is to it. Search for Outlook, open your mailbox, show the navigation pane if it's hidden, and hover over Inbox or Sent Items to see the total count. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep a clearer pulse on your mailbox.